Hey up YouTubers, how are we? Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're keeping safe out there. Probably may just recognise a little snippet of the town we've just been through, or you may not. So we're over in Slaidburn again. Show you that. Slaidburn. Yeah, up in the Trough of Bowland, and some of you may or may not have been on this road. Probably none of you have, because I think most of the people that watch my videos don't live in the country. Not around here neither. Look at this. It's a little bit windy today. It didn't say it was going to be. It said it was supposed to be light winds, but I don't believe anything they say. So if anybody, if any of you guys, girls, whatever, boys, ladies and gents, watch my video regarding the Moto Marini XK649, you might recognise that up there. Because the road we're going on now is a tarmac road similar to the Salter Fell road, which is over there. It's impressive as well. It's a single track road, comes past Stocks Reservoir for trout fishing and stuff, and this takes us all the way over to High Bentham. So I was out for a bit of a Ross. Probably going to see a lot of motorcyclists, a lot of cyclists today around here. The place where there's a lot of them come from. So we're going sort of that way, I think, and sort of Fell went that way. But they all sort of end up sort of in the sort of right there, and they all brains not working. They all end up in the sort of same area. So we tarmac this one, but didn't tarmac that one. And the good thing about a road like this, there's nobody on it. And out on the Husqvarna 701, it's just the ideal bike for the ideal surroundings, really. So there's slow lamps. No lamps on here yet. Not even jumped them. Look at this. beautiful. Bring you lots of some awesome places, don't we? And you can just see, is that Ingleborough? I think it is, isn't it? Can you just see, you probably can't see that it's too wide of an angle, but just through there, I think that's Ingleborough. Yeah, so like I say, it's a bit of a single track road. It's not that bad. In places I think it's a bit cack, but I sort of felt the road goes up there somewhere. Some of these cattle grids aren't level anymore, are they? Well, most of them are, not the top one was. Walkers, few people about. That happens, the same thing when I'm on me, when I'm green laning. You slow down for people to respect you know, just to respect them, and you get no acknowledgement that you've done it. Do you really? And it's like, alright, okay. What's the up with? Just think about it. Yeah, you can see the road going up there. Beside that hill. They got a death wish. What? I don't know really. Some of it gets a bit dark, well not gnarly, but you know what I mean. Bikes, just got to keep keep the roll of resistance going. It's starting to get a little bit brown now. The green's gone in a way. come over, yeah, there's Yorkshire, yeah, it is a good one. There's my mate in the distance. Came over on my CCM over here with the year. I didn't film it. I think I said from there that I should come back over, film it. Stay there if they've got their heads down and eat it. They are used to traffic and sheep hunting. Some places you go to, they're not. Yeah, I think the last time I came here there was a road closed. And that way. This road down here was closed. The detour. And it's not so warm today. Set off this morning, got 10 minutes out of the house, I nearly turned around and went back. It was not warm at all. Sun keeps popping its head out, which is nice. Yeah, so we've met two cars. That's where we've come from. Great, isn't it? Lake District. side down here. Just in front of us there, you see Kingsdale. Kingsdale and that's where we need to go when there's some sun. There's bugger all here. About what, 12 mile, 3 cars. All this scenery, brilliant. It's a bit warmer down here. Just warmed up a bit. I think it was about 6 degrees when I set off this morning. Like what? I didn't realise it was like that cold. So this is the village of High Bentham. It's quite a big village, it's probably more like a town, isn't it really? It's got a lot of industrial stuff going on here, and I don't know what it's all about. There's many caravanners out there, want somewhere nice to stay. Riverside, High Bentham, next to the river. Really nice garden on the back. Tips and techniques there, scenery, travel guide. What more can I do for you all? Go now. I get lost. No, I'm not going to get lost. Where did we go? 12 miles, Slaidburn. Yeah, so 12 miles, 4 cars. Awesome. Right across the road.
Like and subscribe.